Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Bethu Ko Saag, a delicious and healthy green leafy vegetable. Bethu, also known as lamb's quarters, is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. We'll be using fresh Bethu leaves, a touch of mustard oil, and a blend of aromatic spices to create a flavorful and comforting dish. This traditional recipe is perfect for a wholesome meal, especially during the cooler seasons. First, let's get our Bethu leaves ready. You'll want to thoroughly wash about 500 grams of fresh Bethu leaves, rinsing them 3 to 4 times to ensure they are completely clean. Next, carefully remove any thick stems and discard the small flower buds. Once cleaned, finely chop the leaves into small, manageable pieces. Then, boil the chopped leaves in about 1 cup of water for 2 to 3 minutes to soften them and remove any bitterness. Now, let's bring out those amazing flavors. Heat about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and 2 dried red chilies, letting them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, sautéing until the onion turns light pink. Finally, stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, cooking for about 30 seconds. Almost there, add your boiled and drained Bethu leaves to the pan with the sautéed spices. Mix everything together thoroughly, ensuring the greens are well coated. Continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally until most of the moisture has evaporated and the saag thickens. Season with salt to your preference, and you can mash it slightly for a smoother texture. Serve this delicious Bethu Ko Saag hot with warm roti, paratha, or steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.